Oh, man, what, 78, 79? What is that?
It's a 77, one year, yellow trim, second owner. The body's got 66 and some change, 1,000 original miles on it. Factory two-wheel drive, Blazer.
Nice. Love it, man. What's your name?
My name is Lou Perez.
Yeah, where are you from?
Out of Greensboro, North Carolina.
Okay. All right. This is what they do with Blazers up there. You take the top off of it, and it looks like a really short box pickup truck.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
That looks great, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
Love the wheel choice, the way it sits.
Thanks, man. Yeah,
nice.
We drove about 6 hours down here. We kind of risked coming down, with the possibility of rain, but we took the top off and took a chance, and everybody's digging it. So, it's all good.
Yeah, I'm digging it.
Appreciate it.
Man, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's a two-wheel drive, factory two-wheel drive, 22 by 8.5s in the front, 24 by 10s in the rear, 4-link in the rear, custom lower control arms in the front, just freshened up, original interior, factory color, everything custom two-tone paint, but original trim, original grill, original bumpers. So it's try to keep that original look, original feel with just little hints here and there.
Okay, North Carolina C10 Club.
C10 Club NC. You can check us out on Instagram. Check out any of our and all of our follows, our tags, Facebook. Check us out. We got some cool rides, and just come down here and represent the C10 Club.
Nice, man. Yeah, I'm quite sure, viewers, you'll see a lot more cool stuff like this within their club. How many members, man?
Well, right now, of course, we're nationwide, but in North Carolina, we're kind of getting established. We're getting the ball rolling. You'll see a lot more of us real soon.
Nice, man.
So you'll see us out.
So a guy like me with a 66 could join your club?
Sure. Yep. As long as it ain't a Ford.
It's a Chevy.
It's a Chevy. Come on with it, man. Come on with it, brother.
These guys are so, they're so Chevy.
As long as it's a Chevy, man, you come out hang out with us. Yep. All day long, brother.
I want to see what's under the hood, man. Can we pop it?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. No fender wells on the inside. You got your wrapped headers. That's one of them fat motors, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a big boy motor. It's a 454. Factory 454. Just had it rebuilt. Nothing fancy. Got a little cam in it. CVF racing front serpentine setup. Mostly all Edelbrock up top. 700 R4 transmission. Got some custom headers, and really just a good runner, good driver, man.
I ain't seeing no airbags down there, man. That's your stance?
No, there's airbags.
Is there?
Yeah, they're airbags. They're just kind of hidden down under the A-arms and under that.
I see them there on the bottom down there.
Yeah, they're
very bottom.
They're down there. They're hiding, but this is pretty fresh. We just put it in about a month ago. We did it before the Nashville show.
Okay.
And it's got about 10 miles on it. So we drove about we trailered it about 6 hours down, and
fresh build.
Fresh, yeah, it's very fresh. So like I said, about 10 miles on it. So
wow. There we go, vinyl buckets. That's traditional for the Blazers. Sure. That bucket seat setup, right?
Yeah, it's the short backs, low backs, people call them, low back setup. But it's all original. This is the original seats. We just put new covers on them, replaced the carpet, put a new dash in it, left the original trim, original Cheyenne logos. That's the original. That's the original logos, original hardware, gauges, the cluster, steering wheel. Center console, all that's just been freshened up. And like I said, new mats, new carpet, new trim on the interior. Wasn't able to get my side panels for the rear in time to be here, but we came anyway. And, it's, but like I said, try to stay true to the original.
Bring it anyways, man. We got to see it, right?
Who cares, right?
Yeah. Look, for the viewers too. Short box Chevrolet pickup truck. That's what these remind me of when you take the top off the Blazer. I love the body styles, man. If you had a wall here, it would just be cool, cool as ever, I think they do sell a canvas type wall, right?
I'm sure they do. I mean, there's so much for these things, I know one over here's got a canvas back on it, but, we kept the top off of it, and hopefully there's no rain today.
Man, I love it. It's sitting just right.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's got a nice little stance. Everybody, really enjoys the stance of it, and being on air ride, you can get up and get down, so.
Sweet, man, and I appreciate you showing your ride here, buddy.
Thank you,
all right.